Hello, the Heap Sort Lab is assigned this week in week 9 and is due on Wednesday, April 8th. So let's talk about the Heap Sort Lab. The first page just gives the algorithm for turning an array into a heap. And then down at the bottom it says once it's a heap, how do you how do you sort it? So on page 2 we give you the original array. It's not a heap. So you need to turn it into a max heap. Now, I have no problem with you copying trees, binary trees, to show the progress. In the solution, I have a whole set of trees up here and down here. You can do it on scratch paper. The important point is that you, on page 2 here, what I'm showing now, you turn this into a max heap. So in a max heap, you'll see that 92 should go at the top, and 5 should go at the bottom. Well, no, not necessarily. 92 goes at the top, and then there's each subtree is itself a heap. Now, you don't necessarily need this many columns, first of all. You might need 1 or 2 more, or you might not need as many. Secondly, the PowerPoint slides show colors to indicate whether things have been tested, whether they've been swapped. You don't need to put anything like that in there. Just put the numbers in. So once you've got a max heap, then transfer it over to the first column on page 3. And then in page 3 and page 4, sort the list. That's all there is to the heap sort lab, but it's not easy. It's fairly complicated because you've got to do the work. And remember that the first step in turning this into a heap is to find the highest rightmost parent. And there's a formula for doing that. It's shown up here. Length divided by 2 minus 1. So that's 9 divided by 2. The length is 10, divided by 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4. So 63 is the parent of 28. And so that basically you start with 28, 63, and 54. Now, that explanation shows why it's very helpful to draw a little tree, and then you can use your intuition as to what goes where. So step 1, observe this list and consider it a binary tree. Step 2, turn it into a heap on page 2. Step 3, pages 3 and 4, take that max heap and sort it.